We truly appreciate your time and commitment in today's activity. The PNP kasama sa pagtaguyod or the Kataguyod Assembly. Your presence in today's activity is a testament of our collaborative commitment in upholding shared responsibility, ensuring that our policies and program reflects the diverse need of the communities we serve and protect. Again, I welcome you all today's activity. Let's continue to work hand in hand in achieving a more secure, safe place to live, work, and do business. Remember that action creates impact and impact creates change.
Kasama sa programa ang pag-lecture ng National and Local Election 2025 and BARN or Parliamentary Elections kay Police Captain Romel Team Sumalinog at ang social media awareness na si Police Lieutenant Colonel Byron F. Olaso. Sa pagdadaos ng programa, nagkaroon din tayo ng open forum hingil sa kanilang problema o request upang ito ay matugunan. Agarang aksyon naman ang binigay ng Command Group sa pamumuno ng ating butihing Acting Director PKG, Police Colonel Marvin Josaro sa kanilang problema.
It takes a village to raise a child. In the same spirit, it takes an entire community of dedicated individuals to sustain and nurture a thriving democracy, especially as we approach the national and local elections and the BARN parliamentary election. Katatapos lamang nating marinig ang mga mahahalagang kaalaman hinggil sa eleksyon, kung saan isa itong napapanahong paalala na ang mapanuring mamamayan ay pundasyon ng isang matatag na demokrasya. Continue to be the voice that empowers, the hand that uplifts, the light that guides, and the eyes and ears in your communities, advocating for transparency, accountability, and genuine service. Tandaan ninyo na ang diwa ng Kataguyod ay hindi lamang nasa pangalan nito, kundi sa taos pusong malasakit na ipinapakita natin para sa kapwa at sa bayan.